You got it! Yes! Woohoo! That was amazing! Let's do it again. Look at that! They did it!
Remember this part? Here you go, buddy. Eat up.
This is the best chicken ever. Your father is a great cook, isn't he?
And that's how the little star found its way home.
Wasn't that a wonderful story? Wow, that was amazing!
Now, who's ready for bed? All right, team, let's make this cozy.
Ready?
Perfect.
Night-night.
Sleep tight, little ones.
Ah, what a beautiful morning! The storm has passed, thank goodness. Looks like it will be a lovely day.
Look at our village in the morning light.
It's beautiful, isn't it?